Hi guys, in front of me is REALME C61 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open the settings, then find and select System, go to Keyboard and mark on-screen keyboard. So here you can check which is active, in our case it's Gboard. So just tap to open and now mark languages. Here tap on Add Keyboard, then select the one that you want to use and tap on Done. And now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary one if you want to. Just tap on Edit to do it and mark unnecessary language. Delete it and now you've got one language only. Obviously you can customize it whenever you want and however you want to. You can stay with 3 languages, 4 as only you prefer. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.